Good morning, welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. Today on the dyno we've got our Ranger. She's brand new. As many of you know, the SID212 is untunable at the minute. We are working hard to develop a tune for it and get it unlocked. The great news is we've developed a tuning box. This gains about 30 brake horsepower and about 50 foot-pound of torque, as we've proven on the dyno, which I'll show you in a bit. We're going to talk you through fitting it now. It's nice and simple. It's 2 clips, 2 plugs, one on the fuel rail, one on the booster. So we'll go ahead and fit that now, and then I'll talk you through the results. Right, we fit the box. All you need to do now is keep this out of the way, keep it tied up, make sure it's not going to interfere with anything else, and that's pretty much job done. Right, I'll quickly run you through the results. The red line is the before run, the blue line is after. Stock run was only 203, should be 209 stock. Ran a little bit under, but nothing to worry about. Afterwards, at peak, it's only made 211 brake horsepower, but it's all about mid-range in the diesels, 2.5 to 3,000 RPM, which I'll show you the difference. So overall, she's made 45 foot-pound of torque, and in the middle, at 2,500 revs, it's made 25 brake. If you do want this tuning box, give us a shout at VIEZU.com or send us an email at info@VIEZU.com.